Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add more information to your schedule on the Timepage application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on one of these items, your schedule, and after that, as you can see, there is the time frame selected as well as the exact date. Here you can see your location that you can also add if you have a premium membership. You can also add people to this schedule, reminders, repeats, notes, and URL. As you can see, there's also a countdown here, and if you tap on this three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen, you will be able to see that you can do these things that are listed here only if you are a premium member. So you need to purchase the premium offer first, and then you will be able to unlock several features, therefore being able to customize these schedules. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.